Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. Getting started with our Paracord Planet news, we had 4 new YouTube videos come out since our last wrap-up. We had a fake paracord candy tutorial for Halloween. It's not fake paracord candy, it's just fake candy, that is paracord. And then we also had 2 bracelet tutorials as well as more of a utility tutorial with our paracord keychain clip. If you're interested in any of those, make sure to check out the links in the description. We have a new Paracord Planet blog post out. It's a review of summer projects that our customers have completed. If you want to be more involved in the Paracord community, start making some of those connections, make sure to give that a read and see what people are working on. And speaking of our Paracord community, we have a Paracord spotlight for this wrap-up. It's Outdoors Overnight. He created a snake trap with Paracord and tagged us in it on Instagram. And so I checked out their page a bit. They've got a YouTube channel as well as their other social media. Make sure to give them a follow and check out what they're doing. And give that snake trap picture a like on Instagram. And now, for what we wrapped. This monkey. So we gave him this little Cobra Weave bracelet there. He's got that guy. He's got a nice vest now, and he can swing. We're all very excited about it. He's excited about it. What are we gonna wrap next time? A turkey. He's got a little face there, see his little face? Not sure if it'll be this turkey, but it's gonna be a turkey. I'm very excited about it. I hope you will be too. If you want to see that, make sure to check out the next wrap-up. Hey everybody, welcome to the wrap-up. I like that, cool. YouTube news. Oh.